After decades of silence, this forgotten Ferrari is finally about to be restored. Years of neglect have left every part of this legendary Ferrari in terrible condition. The first cleaning reveals the Ferrari hidden beneath years of dust.
The forgotten Ferrari finally leaves the barn. Now the real restoration journey begins.
Every damaged component is carefully documented.
Disassembly starts one panel at a time. Every original part is preserved for restoration.
The damaged interior is stripped down completely.
The legendary Ferrari engine is ready for a complete rebuild.
Every engine component is carefully taken apart for inspection.
Years of dirt disappear under a powerful, deep clean.
The battle against rust begins. The original metal finally comes back to life.
The Ferrari's structure is rebuilt stronger than before.
Every imperfection is repaired with precision. Hours of sanding prepare the body for perfection.
Fresh primer seals the restored body.
The legendary Ferrari engine is rebuilt with new life. The rebuilt engine is finally complete. Every driving component is restored to factory condition. The braking system is completely renewed. The Ferrari finally gets its heart back. The iconic Ferrari color returns. A deep, glossy finish protects the new paint. The finish cures into a flawless shine. Every inch of the Ferrari shines like new. The Ferrari's iconic appearance is restored. Crystal clear glass completes the exterior. The luxury interior returns better than ever.
Every detail inside the cabin is restored.
The Ferrari finally stands proudly on new tires.
Every final inspection is completed.
After decades of silence, the Ferrari roars back to life.
Every system performs exactly as it should. The final protection brings out an incredible shine.
The Ferrari is finally ready for the road again.
From an abandoned barn to open roads once again. A true legend has been brought back to life.
From a forgotten barn find to an unforgettable masterpiece. Subscribe for the next incredible restoration journey.